Welcome to Snoqualmie Ridge, where I'm really excited to share with you this gorgeous turnkey townhome today. Let's go check it out. You will love this beautifully updated modern floor plan with craftsman details that are sure to please. This main floor is bright and open with a gorgeously updated kitchen and features a deck with views of the Cascades. Upstairs, you'll enjoy dual primary suites, both with walk-in closets. All of this and within walking distance to everything that Snoqualmie Ridge has to offer, whether it's shopping, restaurants, schools, parks, trails, it's all right here. Come see it today. In fact, call us today for a private tour. Cheers.
House goals realized. Janus Group at RE/MAX Integrity.